Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today's topic will be JSON Web Token. This definition I have just copied from the Google right now. It is a JSON object which is used to securely transform information over the web between two parties. Uh, Let me show you by an example of the ChatGPT. You will get more idea about it. So suppose the user is logging in this chat gpt, so he will provide the email or password, and after providing the email and password to the chat gpt will give the user a jwt token, JSON web token. So now user is logged in on the chat gpt, and after this the user is sending a request for this question, like who is Tom Cruise. So along with this question, the request along with this request, this header is also being sent with that jwt token, so that chat gpt could verify whether this user is authorized or not. So after sending this question to chat gpt backend, the backend will first verify the jwt token whether this is correct token or not. Then the ChatGPT will run the model to provide the perfect answer, and then returns the value, like Tom Cruise is an Hollywood actor. So like this user gets the information from ChatGPT. This is the whole flow chart. Now coming to the code base, let me show you by the code how this JWT works. So let me write something. First, let me require the JWT JSON. I have required the JSON web token. So suppose this is the value ChatGPT gets from the backend. The information ChatGPT gets from the backend, like username will be Harshit, and name, email. Let's go with the email, harshit@gmail.com. So this is the value which user provided to the backend. So on the basis of this, the backend will generate the token. So for generating the token, we use the function which this JSON web token provide, jwt dot sign, and first parameter would be this value, and second would be the secret secret which only ChatGPT backend holds. On the basis of that, backend verifies whether the user is authorized or not. Nobody has this secret with them. So suppose I am creating this JWT JWT secret, and set this to secret. Just take an example, and I will pass this JWT secret here, and I will console dot log token. Let me save this and run my file, nodemon index.js. See, this is this long string I get. So this is the token which the backend generates on the basis of the value provided. Okay. So to understand the JWT, these are the three main elements of JWT. First is generating, second is decoding, and third is verifying. So generating, I have already showed you how to generate the JWT token, how backend generates the JWT token. Now if you understand the difference between decode and verify, you will understand the JWT. So decoding can be done by anyone. Decoding can be done by anyone. Like you guys can also see this token here. So on the basis of this, you guys can also extract the information. This information. Let me copy this, and you can go to this website jwt.io, and here you can paste this token and see we get the information here. Username Harshit, email harshit@gmail.com. So anyone can decode by seeing this token. But for verifying this JWT secret is the main element, because this JWT secret is being held by the backend of the chat GPT. So no one can get this secret. uh, Let me create a thief. Suppose there is a thief who just decoded my values. Okay, so let me create a thief. Okay, he hold this value, he just decoded my token. He can see my token and decoded it to the values. But now if we generate a token out of it, thief token. Okay, jwt dot sign, and I will pass first thief value, and then the secret. Now see, now coming to the secret, this thief doesn't have the secret. The secret only the secret only chat gpt backend has. So now there is almost 100% possibility that thief would be wrong in choosing the JWT secret. So suppose he put like this is a secret by provided by him, and the token is generated for him also. Okay, one second, console.log, it is restarting. So this first one is the token for the user, for me, and this is the token generated by the thief. Okay, so this secret plays the main role here. For decoding, anyone can decode it, but for verifying, only the backend has this JWT secret key. So no one can verify it. Verification can only be done by the ChatGPT backend. Even the thief gets the value by seeing my token. So now if I console.log uh, token for me, and is equal to thief token. So see, now false will be get printed here. See, false. Even the thief copied my token and get my values, but he cannot be verified. So this is the simple explanation for the JWTs, and there is one more function for the JWT dot verify is the function for verifying the user, and JWT dot decode is to decoding this value. Okay, to get more information, you can go to the documentation of JSON web tokens. And now what else can I tell? Yeah, this is it for the JWTs. I hope you guys get some idea about the JSON web tokens. The JWT is used for getting whether the user is authorized or not, for just updating anything on the app. Uh, I hope you guys get get me what I'm trying to say. So this is it for the JWT tokens, JSON Web Tokens. And if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, please stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, take care, bye bye.